Dancehall artist Masicka, born Javan Firon, has not only made waves with his lyrical prowess, but also with his strategic investments and acquisitions. From real estate to luxury vehicles, Masicka's portfolio reflects his commitment to growth and stability. One of Masicka's notable investments is his custom-built home studio. This facility, constructed with durability in mind, features brick and cement structures. Masicka emphasized the importance of such an investment, stating, "You can't be an artiste and not have a studio, you a waste man." He also highlighted the studio's location, mentioning the surrounding land with fruit trees and potential for further development. In a heartfelt gesture, Masicka purchased a house for his mother as a birthday gift. He shared a video of her exploring the new home, accompanied by Sizzla's "Thank You Mama," showcasing his dedication to family. Masicka's real estate ventures extend beyond his studio and his mother's home. He owns multiple properties in Jamaica and abroad, serving both as personal retreats and investment opportunities. These acquisitions underscore his understanding of wealth diversification. His car collection is equally impressive. Masicka has been seen with a Porsche Macan SUV, celebrating milestones in his career. In his music video for 20matic, he showcased high-end luxury cars, reflecting his taste for premium automobiles. Beyond tangible assets, Masicka has invested in his brand through endorsements and collaborations. Partnerships with major beverage companies and tech brands have not only expanded his reach, but also significantly boosted his net worth. His philanthropic efforts are noteworthy. Masicka regularly engages in charitable initiatives focusing on education, youth empowerment, and community development. These endeavors reflect his commitment to giving back and making a positive impact. Masicka's journey from Portmore to international acclaim is marked by strategic decisions and a focus on long-term success. His investments in real estate, music infrastructure, and brand partnerships demonstrate a holistic approach to wealth and influence. His approach serves as an inspiration to upcoming artists, emphasizing the importance of financial literacy and strategic planning. By investing in assets that appreciate over time, Masicka ensures stability beyond his music career. In interviews and social media posts, Masicka often stresses the importance of self-investment. He encourages fellow artists to prioritize building assets over fleeting pleasures, highlighting the long-term benefits of such choices. His dedication to his craft and business acumen have solidified his position in the dancehall scene. Masicka's story is a testament to the power of vision, discipline, and strategic investment. As he continues to evolve as an artist and entrepreneur, Masicka's portfolio serves as a blueprint for sustainable success in the entertainment industry. His emphasis on ownership and legacy sets him apart in a competitive landscape. In summary, Masicka's acquisitions, from real estate to luxury vehicles, reflect a deliberate and thoughtful approach to wealth building. His investments not only enhance his personal brand, but also contribute to his community, showcasing a balance between personal success and social responsibility. His journey underscores the importance of aligning one's financial decisions with long-term goals. By focusing on assets that provide stability and growth, Masicka ensures a lasting impact both within and beyond the music industry. As fans and aspiring artists look to his example, Masicka's story serves as a powerful reminder of what can be achieved through dedication, strategic planning, and a commitment to excellence. His legacy is not just in his music, but also in the tangible assets and positive influence he has cultivated over the years. Masicka stands as a beacon of success, illustrating the rewards of hard work and prudent investment. In the ever-evolving landscape of dancehall and entertainment, Masicka's approach offers valuable lessons on sustainability, growth, and the importance of giving back. His story is one of resilience, foresight, and unwavering commitment to his craft and community. As he continues to make strides in his career, Masicka's investments and acquisitions will undoubtedly play a pivotal role in shaping his enduring legacy. His journey serves as both inspiration and a roadmap for those seeking to navigate the complex world of music and business. Through strategic choices and a focus on long-term success, Masicka exemplifies the potential of combining artistic talent with entrepreneurial savvy. His story is a compelling narrative of transformation, ambition, and the pursuit of excellence. In embracing both his roots and his aspirations, Masicka has crafted a path that honors his past while building a promising future. His investments are not merely symbols of success, but foundations for continued growth and impact. As the dancehall landscape continues to evolve, Masicka's approach to wealth and influence offers a model for sustainable success. His story is a testament to the power of vision, discipline, and the unwavering pursuit of one's goals. In conclusion, Masicka's acquisitions and investments reflect a strategic and holistic approach to success. His journey from humble beginnings to international acclaim underscores the importance of aligning one's passions with prudent financial planning. His legacy, built on a foundation of talent, hard work, and strategic investment, serves as an enduring inspiration for artists and entrepreneurs alike. Masicka's story is a powerful reminder that with vision and determination, success is not only attainable but sustainable.